Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the VPN so Azar sees a stable, private network. Install a reputable VPN that supports obfuscation. This hides VPN traffic from networks. Once installed, sign in and pick a nearby server to reduce lag. Closer servers lower ping and improve video. Make sure to enable the kill switch and auto-reconnect so your real IP never leaks if the VPN drops. Also grant the VPN permission to run in the background. Without that, Azar may lose the protected connection. Next, configure protocols and app routing to optimize performance. Choose WireGuard or OpenVPN UDP for faster, lower latency video. TCP is more reliable but slower. If your VPN supports split tunneling, enable it only to exclude trusted apps. Avoid excluding Azar itself. Once you change protocol or server, clear Azar's cache or reinstall the app so it reestablishes connections under the VPN. Also, make sure battery saver or aggressive app restrictions are off. They can pause the VPN and break calls. Finally, test and finalize the setup by making a short Azar video call to verify audio and video quality. If you see lag or connection drops, switch to a different nearby server, change the VPN protocol, or temporarily toggle the kill switch to see which setting causes the problem. Once stable, restart your device and confirm the VPN connects automatically before opening Azar, because starting Azar without the VPN can bind a non-private session. If all else fails, reinstall both apps and reapply settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.